Hello, friends. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix SQL Server not found or not accessible error in SQL Server Management Studio. Let's get started. First of all, I will demonstrate you how this error is look like. For that, here I am open the SQL Server Management Studio and try to connect to the SQL instance. Here's the error. A network-related or instance-specific error occurred while establishing a connection to SQL Server. The server was not found or was not accessible. Most probably, the reason for this kind of error is SQL Server instance is stopped or not properly running. Here I am using Windows authentication. If you use any other authentication like SQL Server authentication, first of all check whether the username and password are correct. To check whether SQL Server instance is running properly, we have to open Local Services program in Windows. Go to Windows search box and type Run. Click on Run Program to open the Run box. Type services.msc and hit Enter. Find the SQL Server service and check its status. SQL Server service should be in running state. If not, right-click the service and click Start. Next, find out the status of SQL Server VSS Writer service. This service should also be at running state. Then go to the SQL Server Management Studio and try to connect. See. Successfully connected. If you think this video is helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.